Alright, in this video we are going to solve a system of equations using elimination. Alright, our first system of equations that we're going to look at is one of the easier types. We're going to start with 2x minus 3y equals 14. And then, let's see, 4x plus 3y equals 46. Now you can clearly see right here, this is why this is one of the easiest type, because our y values, the coefficients, are the same digit with opposite signs. So when you have something like this, all you've got to do is just add the two equations together. So 2x plus 4x gives you 6x. This cancels. The y's have been eliminated, hence the name elimination method. All right, let's see. 6 and 4 is 10, 5, 60. All righty, and then divide by 6, and we get x equals 10. Now, how can we find y? Well, we plug 10 in for x into either of the original equations. It does not matter which one. I'm just going to take the first one. So we have 2 times 10 minus 3y equals 14. Well, 2 times 10 is 20. So 20 minus 3y equals 14. Subtract 20 from each side. And we have negative 3y equals negative 6. And divide by negative 3. And we get y equals 2. Because negative divided by negative makes positive. So, writing our solution as coordinates of a point, we have 10, 2. All right. Now we're going to do another system of equations using elimination, but this time it's not going to be quite as nice of numbers as this negative 3y and positive 3y. All right. We're going to have 7x plus 5y equals 2, and then 8x minus 9y equals 17. Oh, not as nice. Darn, huh? Well, let's take a look. Our x's, we have coefficients of 7 and 8. The y's, we have 5 and negative 9. I'm going to choose to eliminate y. Why would I do that? Well, they've already got opposite signs, so I don't have to mess with multiplying by negatives. All right, so let's see. Well, we know that if we multiplied the top equation by 9, we're going to get a 45y. And if we multiply the bottom equation by 5, we're going to get negative 45y. So I'm going to take top equation times 9 and the bottom equation times 5. And then you just distribute. We just take this 9 times everything. So let's see, we're going to get 7 times 9 is 63, so we have 63x. 9 times 5 is 45, so plus 45y equals 9 times 2 is 18. Now I'm going to distribute my 5 into the second equation. So this is going to yield 8 times 5 is 40, so we have 40x. 5 times 9, 45. A positive times a negative makes a negative. So minus 45y equals, now we have to take 5 times 17. Well, 7 times 5 is 35. So I write down my 5, carry the 3. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 3 more makes 8. So that's how I get 85 here. Now I can add the two equations together. Not as nice, is it? But it is what it is. All right, let's see. 3 and 0 make 3, 6 and 4, 10. So 103x cancels. We've eliminated the y's. Equals 18 and 5. Well, 8 and 5. 3. Carry the 1. 8 and 1 makes 9, plus 1 more makes 10. Oh, nice, 103. Divide each side by 103. Something has to be nice, right? Yeah. And so we get x equals 1. All right. Now, how can we find y? Plug it in. What do we plug it into? One of the two original equations. Does it matter which one? No, not really. I'm going to plug it in to the first one. I just kind of like the looks of the numbers. I don't know. If you like the other one, then plug it into the other one. It's okay either way. Alrighty. So x equals 1. So I'm going to say 7 times 1 plus 5y equals 2. Well, 7 times 1 is 7 plus 5y equals 2. Subtract 7 from each side. Oh, this is going to be nice. 5y equals negative 5. Divide by 5. And we get y equals negative 1. So our solution to this system is 1, negative 1. All right, here we've solved the system of equations now using elimination. Happy eliminating.